Hello everybody, Namaste. This is Mini Chandra Mandal, Schoolast and English. I am present before you to discuss an important topic on one of the determinants, that is articles. Before going to that articles, let us have a brief idea on what are called determinants. Determinants are the words that comes before the beginning of the noun, and determinants always introduces and determines the noun. A noun may be a general or a particular. Let us know the types of the determinants: articles, quantifiers, possessives, demonstratives, different words, distributives, numbers, and defining words comes under the determinants. Let us have a brief idea on each of the determiner. Let me discuss here on the quantifiers. What are the quantifiers? The adjectives or the phrase that which serves to answer the two possible questions: how many and how much are the quantifiers. What are the words that comes under the quantifiers? Much, a little, a bit of, a great deal of, etc. comes under the quantifier. Let me introduce some possessive words. What are the possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns acting as adjectives that indicate who an object belong to me. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, its, my, your, his, her, and it comes under the possessive pronoun. Let us know about the demonstratives. Words describe position of an object seen from the speaker's viewpoint. That is this, that, these, those, all these are the demonstratives. Let us know the words that which indicate the differences. The words like other and other another comes under the different words, and these are also the determiners. Let us know what are the distributives. The words like all, both, each, every, either, neither comes under the distributive. Let us know the numbers that acts as the determiner. There are two kinds of number. They are ordinal number and the ordinal number. Ordinal numbers indicate the order, like that first, second, third, 21st, 23rd, 31st. All these are the ordinal numbers. And the cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 25. All these are the cardinal numbers. And ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers also acts as the determiner. Let us know the defining words that comes under the determiners. The defining words that indicate which thing or person is being referred to, like which, whose, all these types of words comes under the defining words. Now we will have broad discussion on the articles. We know that articles are also the determiners. Articles are two types. They are definite article and indefinite article. Here the is the definite article and a and an are the indefinite article. Let us go through this example. I saw a tiger in the jungle. Here a is an indefinite article. When you are referring a noun word for the first time, that should be treated as a general, then we use the indefinite article. Let us see this example. The tiger was roaring. Here the is the definite article. Then why you use the definite article here? Because we have already referred the tiger beforehand, and here we are saying about the particular tiger that I saw in the jungle. So when we are referring to the particular noun word, then we use the. Let us know when do we use the indefinite article a. The indefinite article a is used before a singular common noun beginning with consonant sound. Remember that singular common noun. That common noun should be singular and it should have a consonant sound, not the consonant letter. Here the consonant sound. This is a boy. Here boy is a singular common noun and the word boy begins with a consonant sound b. Therefore we use a here. I saw a tiger in the field. Here tiger is a singular common noun beginning with the consonant sound t. Therefore we use a. There is a beautiful garden in my school. Look at the word a beautiful garden. Your beautiful garden is a noun phrase, begins with the sound b. Therefore, we use a before the beautiful garden. I saw a woman sitting under a tree. Here, a woman. A is an indefinite article. Women, the word woman is a singular common noun beginning with the consonant sound wa. Similarly, a tree. Tree begins with a consonant sound t. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a here. Mr. Robot is a European. The word European begins with the consonant sound y. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a here. Mr. Ramesh saw a one-eyed beggar. Here, one-eyed beggar is a noun phrase, and this noun phrase begins with wa. Here, no doubt there is o, but the sound is wa. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a here. I got a 1 rupee note. Here, 1 rupee note begins with the sound wa. No doubt there is o, but the sound is a consonant sound here. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a here. All the auto rickshaw owners form a union. Here, a union. Here, union begins with the sound y. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a here. Petrol costs 84 rupees a liter. Here, liter is a singular common noun word which begins with the consonant sound. Therefore, you use a here. Priya purchased a school uniform. A school uniform is a compound noun, and here a is the indefinite article. School uniform begins with the sound sa. Sa is a consonant sound. Therefore, use the indefinite article. From these examples, we become very clear that the article a is used before a singular common noun beginning with consonant sound. Remember that consonant sound is important for using a, not the consonant letter. Let us know about the use of an. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Govind owns an ass. Look at the common noun word ass, and ass begins with a sound. A is a vowel sound. We use an before the vowel sound. Ranjan eats an apple every day. Now look at the common noun word apple. Your apple is begins with a. Therefore, we use an before the vowel sound. I have an uncle. Uncle begins with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use an here. Madhubala's mother asked her to take an umbrella with her. You see, the word umbrella is a common noun word which begins with oo sounds. So we use an because the word umbrella begins with a vowel sound oo. Therefore, we use the indefinite article an. Mr. Subramaniam Swamy is an MP. Here, MP is in the form of abbreviations and it begins with M. The letter M, the beginning sound of the letter M has A. Therefore, it's a vowel sound. Therefore, we use an here. Dr. Robert is an NRI. The sound N. Here, N begins with the letter N, but the sound gives N. So, A. So, use N. Now, remember these letters. When the acronym abbreviations that begins with A, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, X, we use N before the words beginning with these sound, because these sounds begins with the vowel sounds. Mr. P.V.N. Murthy is an honest teacher. Here H is silent, so it produces the sound as A. The A is in vowel, so we use N here. Prabhas has done an heroic deed, saving 5 drowning children. Here heroic deed, so H is silent. therefore use N before the vowel sound. Similarly, Pillar of the Sky is an historical novel. Here H is silent, so it's a historical novel. We use N before the vowel sound. Dr. Majumdar is an historian. Mr. Majumdar is an historian. Here H is silent, therefore it produces the vowel sound. So the word historian begins with the E sound, therefore we use the indefinite article an. Is an hotel near our school. Here hotel, if you think that the H is silent in the word hotel, then you use an. We got an X-ray done. X. So it begins with the A sound, it's a vowel sound, therefore use N. So all these examples make such clear that we should use N before a word beginning with a vowel sound. The indefinite article a and n are used when you talk about people in general or in indefinite way. It's not definite. So he is a European. This is a unique idea. There is a one parent family. He is teaching at a university. The girl bought an orange. He is an Indian. He had an umbrella in his hand. You see, all these sentences refers that we are talking about people in indefinite way, not definite way. Okay, so when you are talking about people in indefinite way, we use the indefinite article a or n. We have already known about the rules where to use a and where to use n. Let us know more about the uses of indefinite article. Kolkata is a big city. The dog is an animal. Here, big city, animal are singular countable nouns. So we use a or n before the singular countable noun when you are talking about in a temporary way or in a general way or for the first time. Similarly, you use a or n before the names of occupations and professions. Let us go through this example. Chiku's father is a scientist. Yes, the word scientist refers to the profession. Mr. Sabhunath is a farmer. Farmer also refers to the occupations. So when you are speaking about the profession and occupations, we use a or n before the words related to occupations and the professions. Let us know more about the indefinite articles. Use the indefinite article before certain nouns considered as a single unit. She bought a knife and a fork. Here, knife and fork indicates that this is a single unit. We cannot separate knife and fork here. Therefore, we use the indefinite article a because it begins with a consonant sound. The old lady had a cup and saucer in her hand. Your cup and saucer should be taken as a single unit. We cannot separate it. So a cup, and when we use cup and saucer as a single unit, we use the indefinite article. Your cup begins with a consonant sound, therefore you use a here. Similarly, a large number of people attended the meeting. A large number of people has been taken as a single unit. We cannot separate these words. Therefore, we use the indefinite article. So, other uses of the indefinite article. When we use a before little and few, there is a change in the meaning of these words and also the meaning of the sentences. For example, few people visit this temple now. If you say you use the word few people, it means that almost no people visit this temple. If you say I know a few students of this school, it means that I know less than some people and more than none, more than no one students of this school. So a few means less than some. There similarly, there is little water in the bucket. There is little water in the bucket. It means that there is almost no water in the bucket. If there is water, there is very negligible amount of water in the bucket. But if you say there is a little milk in the bottle, it means that less than some amount of milk in the bottle. We use the indefinite articles a or an before an adjective in a noun phrase. For example, Divya is a good girl. Here, good girl is a noun phrase, and the good girl, this noun phrase begins with an adjective. And the rule is we need to use a or an before the adjective in a noun phrase. So, here we use the indefinite article a. Why? Because the good begins with g sound, which is an consonant sound. Similarly, Ram told me an interesting story. Here, interesting story is a noun phrase, and we use an indefinite article before the noun phrase beginning with the adjective. Here, interesting begins with the e sound, therefore, we use an. Similarly, Dr. M. Kelly wrote a scientific novel. A scientific novel is a noun phrase beginning with an adjective, and the rule is we need to use a or an before the adjective in a noun phrase. Adjective. Your scientific is an adjective word, so we use a before the scientific novel. So here we use the indefinite article a. Let us do some exercises on the indefinite article. Read the sentences carefully and write the suitable article in the blanks. Ram is dash student. So Govind eats dash apple every day. Manjit has dash pet dog. This car runs 80 kilometers dash hour. Mita Rani is dash honest lady. Sivananda saw dash one-legged cross yesterday. Mr. Mahesh Pandey is dash MLA. Sambit studies in dash university. Dash a lot of people gather to participate in dancing competitions. There is dash little water in the pot. Let us do the exercises here. Let me discuss the answers. Ram is student, so use a article here before the student because students begins with a consonant sound. Govind eats dash apple every day. Here apple begins with a vowel sound, therefore you use an. Manjit has dash pet dog. Here Manjit pet dog begins with the consonant sound, so we use a here. This car runs 80 kilometers this hour. It is silent and it produces an vowel sound, therefore you use an. Mita Rani is this honest lady. Here honest in the word honest begins with a vowel sound, therefore use an. Here H is silent. Sivananda saw this one-legged crow yesterday. Here one-legged begins with a consonant sound, therefore we use a. Mr. Mahesh Pandey is this MLA. Here MLA, M begins with an vowel sound, therefore use an. Sambit studies in university. Your university begins with the Y sound, Y is a consonant sound, therefore use A. There's lot of people gathered to participate in dancing competitions. Here, lot of people, which is taken as a single unit and also begins with the consonant sound, therefore use A. There is this little water in the pot. So the little begins with the consonant sound. In this way, we learned the different uses of indefinite articles and also have done some exercises. Thanks to you all for listening to me and listening to my tutorial. Please give your valuable comments on this, like and subscribe my channel. Let me bid you all goodbye till my next video on article part 2, that is definite article.